This is Ghazal Luthra, your mindset makeover coach, and I help people to take quantum leap in their life. Okay, many people ask me that Ghazal, we have set our goal and we are really working hard towards it, but I don't see anything happening. I've been working too hard and nothing seems to materialize. I've been calling people, I've been doing everything that is required to move towards my goal, but I don't see anything happening. If this is something which is happening with you, you have been trying, or rather to use the word struggling to make things happen, but you feel that nothing is moving, then this is a video for you. Because let me tell you that everything that you are doing is taking a shape in your creative plane, in an energetic manner, right? So nothing ever goes waste. So if you have a doubt that whatever you are manifesting, whether it is coming true or not, then I would want to share a very beautiful tip with you, and that is in fact not even a tip. I would say it's a very hardcore strategy or hardcore mantra that I can say that I'm going to share with you, that is going to keep you on the track. It will not let you deviate from it. Okay, usually what happens that when we are on our manifestation and we know what we want, but when we don't see the results in our physical life, we tend to get jittery, we tend to lose confidence, we tend to become demotivated, right? At that time, you know what happens? Our logical mind tells us so many unrealistic stories which are definitely not true. But the way they are said to you, you tend to believe them, and it says that it's not going to happen, you are wasting your time. Trust me, this is never ever going to happen to you. Or it can also tell you that there is a better way of doing it. Leave this, go back to your previous life and live comfortably, or you can try after some time. There is no need to work so hard or no need to do certain things. All these things are coming from your logic mind, your ego mind, and your ego mind does not like to do anything that it has not done before. It does not like surprises at all. It likes to have the plan. It wants to know everything. What are you doing? Why are you doing? And how are you going to get it, right? And if you have uncertainty, if you don't know, then it is going to create that fear within you. So that is the reason that why most of the people start feeling fearful. They start with a lot of enthusiasm, but somewhere in the middle, they start feeling little demotivated, fearful that whether it is going to work out for them or not. And that's very, very natural. Even I feel that, and everybody rather feels that, right? So what are you going to do when you feel that? You will have to use these 5 powerful words with you. Keep them with you. Start using them as often as you can. Whenever your ego minds tell you or gives you those stories that are definitely not real, not true, you're going to substitute that talk with this new statement, this new mantra that I'm sharing with you. And once you start saying this often, again and again, trust me, you will reach your manifestation, you will reach your goal very, very fast. So here is the new statement, a beautiful 5-word powerful statement, and it is very simple. And it is, you have to repeat by saying, it is on its way. Whenever you have a doubt in your mind that I don't know whether it is going to work, I don't know whether I will get financially stable, I don't know whether I will have my own company, this product will sell, or anything that you have been trying to work towards, you need to repeat this statement, it is on its way. It is on its way. Because everything has a gestation period, right? Even a child is born in 9 months. Now, have you ever imagined why do we know that the child is born in 9 months? Because it is proven, it is tested, it has been proven since centuries that this is how a child takes birth, and that is how the time is taken by every child to come into this world. But when it is about our ideas, when it is about our products or services or thinking that we carry towards our goals, there is no fixed gestation period. You might be thinking it will come to the physical form, or it might become a reality in 3 months, but it might take 4 months, it might also take 6 months. And that is the time you're going to use this statement, it is on its way. And trust me, when you start repeating this again and again, you will be succeeding very, very soon. I'm certain this is going to help you a lot. See you again with another mind-blowing mindset power shot. Have a great day and stay safe and happy. Bye-bye.